Discuss about this user on how to add the users in this. So first we're gonna put the names and there's significance yan. So that's it. So yan, ayan naman po natin yan. Mag-add tayo ng mga users sa kada So after we created each department, so we're gonna add some users. So sa pag-add po ng users is gagawa lang po tayo ng mga ito yung mga file bawat department is we just gonna add this. Yan, ito po ang pag-add ng users. Just create new users and add their password and their specific name. So ginawa po natin ito is itong pangalan po nila. Yan, inisa-isa po natin yan. Yan, isa-isahin lang po natin yan. Yan, itanan po natin ito. I-add lang po natin mga users. Yan. So gonna take a while. So yan, kada department po yan, nag-add po tayo ng mga users. And that's how you add users. And that's how we add the users. So that's how you add the users. And thank you for watching, and hope you learned something from this video, and see you next time.